What's up, YouTube? Got another cool review today. Got the Pokemon Baby G 25th anniversary. Let's go! Alright guys, here we have the Baby G 25th anniversary G-Shock collaboration here. Awesome, cool watch, guys. It's a BGD 560 PKC for Pikachu. 1 for black, 3290 is the module. Cool little watch. Was released in November of 2020 for $110. Unbelievably so, this watch can still be found for approximately about the same retail value. It will be gone soon though, and will be hard to find. If you haven't or didn't know about this watch, look into it and get it if you're a fan of Pokemon. Once it's gone, it's gonna be hard to find and the price will go up. All right, you can see the box here. It's got a nice, cool 8-bit kind of pixelated design on the watch. It's got the Baby G 25th anniversary on the box in gold there. They have these cool lightnings, and then the Pokeballs, or Pokeballs as Ash would call them, on the box here in pixelated design in multiple colors. All right, on the top you have this cool Pokemon and the Pikachu 8-bit design on top with the Baby G on the bottom. And then you have this cool little bold, or not bold, little border around the Pikachu, which kind of resembles the old 8-bit, I don't know, game systems. Kind of think that's what that's supposed to resemble. So let me open this up here. Inside of the box, you have once again the Pikachu Baby G Pokemon in there. And then you have this awesome, which I think is a crazy great design, the Pokeball used as the case for this G-Shock watch. Now, this is a 25th anniversary collaboration with Pokemon. As you guys may not know, the Baby G design was released in 1994, which 2020 marks it the 25th anniversary of the Baby G, hence the collaboration, hence the 25th anniversary on the box. Okay, so let's get started. Let's open this up. It is a aluminum design, doesn't feel plastic. It's kind of aluminum. Got the red, white, black Pokeball colorway that you guys are so familiar with. And have no fear, travels here, and we're gonna talk about this watch in its entirety. So open it up. Oh, if I could, there you go, pops right open. You can see inside it is aluminum. Okay. It's got a nice little cushion on top there to protect it from the elements. I don't know if G-Shocks, I don't know, they should just pack this with rocks. I don't think G-Shock needs to be protected, but inside here you have a nice sturdy little, another cushion there with plastic on the inside. And I'm always dropping things, so don't mind me. Take a look at the watch. Here's the tag with the SKU number in case you need it. BGD 560 PKC-1. Like I said, $110 retail value. There's the module number, not the module number, excuse me, the SKU number. And here's the watch. Very nice watch. As you guys know, this is a Baby G. It's intended for people with small wrists, ideally women or children. So I'll compare that to a standard DW5600. So you can see what I mean. It's quite small. But it's not as small as you think. I mean, it's small, but it's not as small as you think. You can still probably rock it. Here is a good comparison. Here is a Mudmaster. So you can see it's not, I mean, it's kind of small, but it's not terribly small. You can still wear it. All right, let's take a look at the design here. You have the Pokemon again with the nice border around the display there. Some pinks, some purples on the display there. Pokemon on the top there. Baby G. Protection. All right. It's got a nice small box there. So it's not a huge, big profile on the module, on the case there. Then you have, again, Pokeballs in different colored, lightning bolts throughout the band. Very nice. Same with the other side. Pokeballs. And then you got the 25th anniversary on the belt keeper there. All right, that's a yellow color in case you can't make it out. It's yellow in color on the font there. On the back plate, you have a cool, very difficult to see Pokemon or Pikachu design engraved on the back plate. If you can make it out there, let me see if I can zoom in there. There we go. There's the Pikachu we all know. Baby G, Pokemon, BGD 5600 PKC 3290 module, or 3290 module. Okay. There we go. And then on the backlight, you can see it here. I'm gonna show you guys. You have Pikachu. Now it's kind of hard to make out like always, but there we go. Look at that, how bright and bold that Pikachu looks on the backlight. Awesome little touch. Nice little display there. Nice job overall with the aesthetics, the design of this watch. You have the nice design on the bands, the back plate, and you have the nice little touch on the backlight. So overall, a great looking watch. One, I think if you're a fan of Pokemon or G-Shock or Baby G's, it'll be one that you should consider getting. All right, so in here we have a standard 5600, not a standard one, it's also a collaboration with Kickstyle. But you can see there is a size difference, not huge, but it's still different nevertheless. All right, case size, you can see smaller case size. And then also you'll notice that the actual band length is actually shorter than that of the standard DW5600. So there you go. All right, so this is how the 5600 fits my wrist. All right, so I have a small wrist, and you'll see here the band goes all around almost to the top there, and the watch, there's the watch on my wrist. You can see how it looks. Now let's try on the Baby G, give you an idea how that looks in comparison. So put this on. Okay. Now, would I wear this Baby G Pokemon? I highly doubt it. Probably not my cup of tea. But those who are Pokemon fans, it's a little small, right? It looks a little tiny, but you can see the band actually fits pretty well on mine wrist there. Okay, and then side-to-side comparison on the wrist, just to see what that looks like. There we go. Okay. Now, for those of you that don't know, Baby G, they have a lot of collaborations out there. They have a lot of different designs. Some that are highly sought after, and some that are not so sought after. Mostly, the Baby G's are not that popular because of the small casing size, and that makes it not as attractive to collectors because they can't really wear them. All right, but there's a lot of cool designs out there. Baby G's, I'm gonna show you one in particular I'm fairly in love with. Here's another Baby G here. You can see, one of my favorites there. The Baby G paint splatter, I call it, colorway. So there's a lot of different modules or models of the Baby G. In case you like that kind of design or size, you can look for those. Now there's also a even smaller G-Shock, the all exclusive, the G-Shock Mini, they call this. So there's a G-Shock Mini for, now this one's, I think is intended for children because it's just so tiny. This one here is the Sesame Street Cookie Monster edition. And I bought this from another collector, and absolutely very rare watch. I haven't seen another one of its liking, of its kind, anywhere for sale. Not a lot of information of this watch out there, so I truly love it. It's a very cool watch, very rare, but we're not talking about this one. We're talking about the Pokemon. And with that, guys, thanks for watching. Gotta catch 'em all. Pikachu G-Shock 25th anniversary collaboration, Baby G model watch. Thanks, guys. And again, the for sale video is coming very soon. Sorry for the delay. Hopefully be putting it out in the next few days, time permitting. And until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. This is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Pika Pika. Peace. I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking my G-Shock.